Hello my dear friends and welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Hive. This is an amazing platform for productivity and for team management and for other cases as well. It is called Hive Project Management Platform for Hybrid Work shaped by users. So I will actually show you what projects you can manage, what tools this platform offers, and use cases. So let's go. And traditionally, I leave all the important links below this video, so check them out and have fun. Okay, what Hive can provide to you, to your team, or to your company. So first of all, you can you can manage projects and tasks. Powerful proofing and annotation tools use project and action templates for repeatable steps to cut down your work in half. So yes, you can actually save time and be more efficient to that end. Yes, you can set up goals, and you can track the performance and the way towards the goals. And you want to know that your whole team is on the same page and to understand who's behind or who needs some help or who needs some supervision. Yes, TeamWork. You can actually see everything in one time sheets and time tracking. So you can specify the timing, the deadlines, so on and so forth, specific timings for different positions in the teams. And that's very, very convenient. Visibility, understand what your team is up to, regardless of location or team structure. Hive helps you stay connected in one central location. Analytics, of course, you get dashboard and you get analytics on the performance, some updates, status, reporting, everything you need as a manager, for example, to keep track of how team performs or how team completes a specific task. And AI, a very important feature right now and nowadays, project management and autopilot. So manage and streamline work with Hive Mind and AI Assist, create documents, kickstart projects, and more. Yes. Gantt view, Kanban view, table view, calendar view. So you can have different outlines. It all depends on your preferences. Plans mean nothing without a goal. Of course, visualize and track your progress in real time. Tie your project and actions to a specific objectives. Automate goal tracking across all business tools. Of course, you can sign up right away. The link is below this video, and you not only can, but you should, to make your work more efficient. Clarity across your entire organization. Quickly gain visibility of how projects are progressing. Yeah, so you can actually see this through the coloring. Yes, so you can make it visually easy to understand, and of course it saves time. As you can see it here, the completed ones are marked as green, and those that are in progress, for example, in yellow. And of course, you can have this charts and dashboard on the progress. Leave all meetings with an action plan. Turn your meetings into engaged and interactive affairs, and always leave with clear next steps, staying to notes and hangouts. That's an important thing because usually when the meetings are held, there should be one person noting that and then sharing the notes to the whole team. And these can be made easy and easier. So with Hive, you can automate this thing, and everyone will get the notes and the bullets from the meeting. Put an end to creative blocks with Hive Mind, the first of its kind AI assist. Yes, so email subject lines with your highest open rate, copy translated into 26 languages, so on and so forth. So you can actually give a task and AI understands everything that you wanted to do or to write. Use cases, that's what I promised you to also explain you. So what use cases Hive is good for? So project management, it is good for marketing, it is good for design, um, for operations, for agencies, and for enterprises. And that's cool. And what is also cool, that all the popular tools on the market right now that many teams are using, Hive integrates with all these tools. Over 1,000 integrations to bring information into one centralized dashboard for maximum efficiency. And as you can see the products, product management, time tracking, collaboration, messaging, proof and approvals, notes, analytics, AI assist, integration, automation, so on and so forth, and specific use cases for workflow, for company type, or for team. And the pricing, it is very affordable. So when you have a yearly subscription, you save 33%. You can have a solo subscription, $0 forever, best for individuals, up to 2 workspace members, unlimited storage, unlimited project and tasks, unlimited collaborative notes, different views, email and Hive, native chat messaging. Teams, for example, unlimited workspace members, 7 flexible add-ons, external guest access, shareable forms, time tracking, in-app calendar, Zoom and Slack from Hive 4, keeping everything in track. And you can actually chat with your team. Enterprise, get in touch. Of course, you can text them and get all the information depending on type of business or on the size of your enterprise, so on and so forth, and what calls you are pursuing. So, thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you good luck, and I want your team to be the most successful on the market. With Hive, you can do it easily. Have fun, check all the links below this video, sign up, and make your team efficient. Bye-bye.